Okay, I bought the hype watch. The MoonSwatch in an appropriate baby blue color. That's all the rage in 2022. I went down to the store in Las Vegas after confirming they had the watch, and after paying $260 plus local taxes, which brought me to just over $280. I was the proud owner of an Omega MoonSwatch. It comes in a unique box which has, for the lack of better words, the specs of Uranus. The temperature? Well, I guess it's cold at minus 197 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere is icy. It has a battered moon, and I guess it's made of gas. Uranus also spins on its vertical axis. Important news if you're playing a trivia game. The box has Omega and the Swatch logo on it. It is a little bit flimsy. And here's the watch in full Miami Vice specification with the light blue dial and the white strap. It comes with a booklet on the MoonSwatch collection, which has all the different MoonSwatch versions available. It also comes with an instruction manual and a guarantee card. Here is the watch. The watch is 42 millimeters in diameter. It comes in a white strap with Omega written in black and Swatch written in baby blue, and the backside of the strap has Speedmaster written on it. Just from touching the strap, I can probably say no animals were harmed in the making of this strap. It does feel very, very rough and very stiff. The battery cover is made to look like Uranus. The dial of the watch has Omega and Swatch written on it in the same way it's written at the front of the box. The watch does feature Lume. I will do a Lume shot and add this to this video. Even though the watch is 42 millimeters, it seems to wear from a lug to lug dimension more compact than my 40 millimeter IWC Schaffhausen Mark XVIII, perhaps because the lugs in this watch are a lot more compact than the pilot's watch. I will now try it on my wrist and show you how it fits. From a fit perspective, it certainly wears a little bit more compact than the 40 millimeter IWC watch, and it fits my wrist very well. So, what are my initial thoughts on this watch? Well, it's rubbish, but not in a bad way. My Patek equates to a fine, aged wine served in a fancy wine cellar at precisely the right temperature by a professional sommelier. My IWC would be drinking a great scotch or whiskey in an upscale bar with dark, rich leather couches. This watch is like having a local beer at your local bar with loud music playing in the background. Yes, it's rubbish compared to a fine wine or a very well-aged whiskey, but we all need a little fun in our lives. it's not trying to compete with the other two categories of watches. It's its own watch in its own right. I will tell you, after looking at this watch, I am tempted to go down to the authorized dealer and look at the real moon watch from Omega. It certainly wears so well. I will say, however, if you are going to buy a MoonSwatch, buy it in one of these flashy colors. It's no point getting the Mission to Moon, which looks so close to the real deal. This is a plastic watch, bioceramic, I guess. 1/3 plastic and 2/3 ceramic. However, it feels like a plastic watch. Have fun with it. It's not meant to be a horological masterpiece. It's not meant to sit in your safe with your ultra rare watches. It's meant to have fun with. Get a fun color with this one. I hope you're enjoying the content on this channel. Since I buy all the products I review, there's no sponsorship involved, and I can be as honest as I can. I hope you join me on this horological journey, and I hope you enjoyed this watch. Thank you.